Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and today I want to give you an update on the room addition that we're building in Gulf Harbors in Newport Richey. So I'm standing here inside the master suite area of the addition. You can see furniture's gone in, the flooring is down, baseboard is partially in, but walls are painted, and most fun, the tile is in the bathroom. That's really what I wanted to get here to show you today, so let's jump in there. So, as promised, beautiful shower surround. What we've got is we've got our niche over here under our shower head, extra tall, so that, some husbands are tall, they need taller shower heads, so we moved it up here. You'll notice the valve is on the opposite wall of the shower head. We've got our tiling, we've got this beautiful accent going down, splitting the window, and then we've got the accent in the back of the niche. Love the color combination here. What Christine, the homeowner, did here, which I really like, props to you for this, Christine, is she did a what's called a pencil tile. Maybe, Paul, you can probably show some B-roll of this after, but she did a pencil tile to line the outside of the tile and also to outline the niche, whereas a lot of people do the Schluter trim, the metal trim, which I do really like. What she decided to do is do the pencil tile, which I think came out amazing for the style of tile that we did in this bathroom. So that looks great. We got our floor tile in, the shower floor is in. Now you'll notice that, like, the bench seat is exposed. There's no sill here and there's no sill here. That's because it's gonna get the same material as the countertop on the vanity. So the next step in this bathroom is after the floor gets grouted. Actually, I just realized none of the grout's in yet. So literally got here the day it was done. So the grout's going in tomorrow. Once it's all grouted, then the vanity will be set and the countertop will be templated, and the countertop's gonna go on the vanity, on the seat, on the windowsill, and on the niche sill. That's just something that we typically do because it comes out so much better when it all matches, matchy-matchy, and looks really, really amazing. Throughout the rest of the bathroom, I mean, pretty, obviously our vanity still has to go in, but they'll have an outlet here, they'll have an outlet on the other side of the vanity. They'll also have, if you can show them down low, Apollo, we're actually gonna have an outlet down in the bottom of the vanity that will be, for plugging his stuff in a drawer, like hair dry, whatever you plug it in a drawer, maybe a hair straightener or something like that. So in the rest of the room addition area, obviously we've got our nice vinyl plank floor going down, walls are in, we've got our closet system started in here, got to throw our pocket doors in. Let's go outside for a second so I can show you that. Outside of our sliders, in the original plan here, this was just kind of, an open area, right? It was like there was a stoop outside the door and then nothing else really. So what we decided to do is when we were doing the concrete pour, the homeowner asked, well, could we just add this on as a concrete patio? And so I said, absolutely, we're already pouring the concrete. It would make total sense to just fill this in, make it square, and have a little sitting patio out here. So that's what we wound up doing. And you can see literally the tile installer was here today putting this tile down. I mean, he's still got the leveling clips on it. So we're doing a nice, like worn brick stone look out here with some nice blues in it. It's really gonna look amazing when it's done. We've got that started. And then we're gonna have some decking put down on the dock that we'll show you when it's all done. So really, we're still midstream here. There's still a lot to be done, but we are getting towards the back end of it. So wanted to give you a little update, show kind of what it's looking like now that the windows and doors are in. You can see them, they're stuccoed around, the tile's going down on the floor, tile in the bathroom. It's good for you to be able to see how these things progress so that when you actually jump in and are doing your project, what it looks like or what it's supposed to look like. Even if we're not the ones doing it, okay, I've seen when a shower is tiled but it's ready for grout, it should look like this. So a lot of people, you may get to do this one time in your life. You may do one remodel of your home in your entire lifetime. That's what would be typical, and one of this size anyways, where you're doing an addition and a bathroom and all that other stuff. So if you don't know what right looks like, that can be kind of daunting, right? Because you don't have any examples for it. I wanted to give you that by bringing you along through the journey of this process. And by the way, if you haven't seen, we've got multiple updates on this room addition. Just look for Gulf Harbors room addition in our previous videos so you can see what this came from and what it is now. And then obviously we still have to do our final update at the end in probably about 2 weeks when everything's wrapped up here. Maybe 3, if things get delayed with inspections and whatnot. But really we're in the home stretch here. I'm looking forward to showing you the final finish finished product, you know, we'll do a big drone video to show you kind of what it looks like so you can see where the addition was added and how seamless it is and all that stuff. But I do appreciate your attention. If you have a room addition in the Tampa Bay area, whether it's in Gulf Harbors or in the greater Tampa Bay area, I would love to talk to you about that project. Please send an email to homeloveconstruction@gmail.com. If you have a project that you're interested in getting a same-day estimate on, would love to be involved in the project and at least be in the conversation. So if you have one of those, send us an email at homeloveconstruction@gmail.com, and we will set up an appointment with one of our estimators to give you a same-day estimate. And if you want to see sample projects, this may wind up being one of our sample projects, but go to homelove.construction/sample projects. That's homelove.construction/sample projects. And you can see other work that we've done, and we're even going to show you what it costs. That's right, we're going to break down the cost of those projects so you know exactly what's going on and what it would cost to do the same thing. So, looking forward to seeing you there. Go check out homelove.construction/sample projects, and I look forward to talking to you about your remodel. Thanks for watching. Peace.